Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shehzad, and with another video we will see how we can install Security Onion installation on VMware Player. So VMware Player is similar to Workstation, but the difference is in VMware Player we only can install one virtual machine on the free version. So the guys, if you already don't know how to install the VMware player, you can go on my previous virtualization playlist and you can see one video how to install a VMware player. So before moving to the Security Onion installation on VMware player, I would like to, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's go and start. Guys, as you know, if you want to download a Security Onion, you have to go on the website or you can type in the download Security Onion in the Google search engine and you will get one website official here. You can click and it will take you to the here and you can click on the download and then it will take you to the download. So I already have downloaded the ISO which is on my desk, and we can mount this one to our workstation, VMware Workstation player. So let's go and start the video. I will minimize this and I will run my workstation. Okay, here is our VMware Workstation, which is free edition, and I can install only one virtual machine for my non-business or non-commercial for my personal use. So I will start and create a virtual machine. Keep in mind you must have more than 16 GB RAM on your local computer, and then you must have at least 40 GB free for this Security Onion. So we'll click on this, create a new virtual machine. And here you can give the point to the disk image, browse, and we have already our Security Onion. So I'll go on D drive and I will go on my softwares and I will go on security softwares. Here we go. We have downloaded 16.04 Security Onion. I will click open. Okay. So this one is the ISO mounted. We'll go next. And here it will ask us to choose, because that ISO we are going to install on our, it's a Linux based Onion, Security Onion. So I'll choose Linux. And we will choose Ubuntu 64-bit because I have downloaded this on 64-bit. Security Onion is built. Okay, click next. And here we can give the virtual name like security virtual machine name Onion 16 or whatever. Okay, and the location of this virtual machine you can browse, and I have you can change the location if you want. I have a space on my D drive, so I will go on my D drive, select it, and then we will create a new folder here, Security Onion VM virtual machine. So I can select this folder, Security Onion. Okay, so my virtual machine will be here in this folder. So I'll go next. Okay, so minimum hard drive we need 40 GB, and store virtual disk as a single file, not a multiple file. We have to create a single file, is recommended by Security Onion. So next, and then we will modify the memory. Minimum you can use Search and the Kibana and the Logstash you want to do. You must have this one as a GB, so we'll bring it to 8 GB. Here we go. Okay, so and the secondly, you must have another adapter, one for your management and one for your sniffing the data. Okay, so one which is my management, I will leave it as it is, and sniffing the data I will bridge with my adapter. So the adapter, I will choose my real. Here is my Bluetooth, another is not connected yet, so I can choose when I'm connecting my wired, so I can choose from here. Later on we can change, so because the cable is not connected. So one is this one, and if you want to use it with this one, you can use it. It's internal, but we will go for bridge. Okay, so second is with the bridge, and this one is adapter, and we'll go close. And here is, we'll go finish. So our Security Onion machine has been created. So we will go and start. Clear virtual machine. It will start. Okay, here we go. So we will hit enter. The first option you have to choose, boot Security Onion 16.04. I will hit enter. Okay, it's getting loading. So we got the mouse. So now the graphical interface will come of the Security Onion. Here we go. So here is the installation visit. So I will first fix the resolution for this one. I will go in others and then in the terminal. I will click on the terminal and then I will type X render and you can check. Sorry, X render. Okay, so I will use this 1920 X4. So I will type X render slash S 1920 X 1440. Hit enter and it will change your full the resolution of the screen. So see, it's big one now. So we'll click on install Security Onion. I will double click. It will take a little time to start the visit. Here we go. The installation came. We'll choose English. Continue. And here is the preparing for installation. We'll go and continue. Here the is asking for the drive which we mounted 40 GB. It's gonna raise and install the Security Onion. We'll say yes, install now. He made the partition ready for installation. Yes, continue. So we'll choose our location, install. Here we go for the keyboard layout, US, okay, continue. So here's the name, and then you can give the computer name as well here. You can say security onion, and password for my user. Okay, required a password for login, yes. Continue. Okay, so it will start installation. First it will copy the file on the drive and then it will start installation. So it will take a little time. So for during this period, I will pause the video recording, and then when it's completed, I will come back. Okay guys, our installation is completed and it's asking for restart or continue testing, but we will do restart because after that it will start load the Security Onion from your disk which is installed. So it will boot from the disk. So no need more the CD drive, the image we mounted. So I'll do restart definitely. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to comment back. So machine is going to restart. It's saying please remove the installation media. So we'll go hit Control and Alt. You will get back your mouse, and here we'll go into the player. We'll go manage virtual machine, edit settings, and here in this we will disconnect the power. I will cut the power so it will not use anymore. Okay, and here we'll click and hit enter, so it will proceed. See the Security Onion. Okay, so now it's booting up from the disk, installed operating system, Onion Security. Okay, here we go again. We are back. The username we given during the installation, you have to log in with that. Okay, so system, the configure the system, please double click again on the setup. Before going to setup, I will check, I will just minimize and maximize. No, it's not, it's the local machine graphics. So we will set again the our resolution for this machine is, go to the terminal, same, type X render, and then it will show you the all resolution types. So we will go X render slash S. This time we will go more this one, 1920 X 1200, 1920 X 1200. Hit enter. Okay, so it's better now. So I will close the terminal. So, okay, so this after the installation and reboot, it's asking to configure the system. Please double click on the setup icon. So I will double click here. Okay, it will ask for the password, the user password which we given, the same password user. Okay. Okay. So it will ask for these are the services going to install, like Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, Squert, Sguil, Zag, and other stuff. So let's go and yes, continue. First, it will ask for the network configurations. So don't worry, I don't have a network. My cable is not connected yet on my laptop. So yes, configure the networks. So remember, we have added during the VM configuration, we have added two NIC cards. First was NAT, which we choose for management. Yes, we will choose for management. And second NIC card we choose for sniffing. So let's configure first our management, and it is asking for the management interface. Click OK, and give a static IP. OK, I'll give a static IP 192.168. Sorry, my numlock is not on, so I will do it again. 100.55 is my management IP. Okay, I'll give a mask dot 0 24-bit, and I'll give a gateway dot 1. Okay, so DNS, my domain controller. If you have, you can give, and home lab dot local. Okay. Yes, the sniffing interface, he said you want to configure. Yes. And this is the only available, we will use it. Okay, and this is the full summary for the configuration. It will ask, because sniffing is don't have any IP address. Sniffing is which traffic will come on that interface, all it will sniff. So no need. So this is the summary for your management interface, and this is the sniffing interface. Yes, make the changes. And if you have mistakenly given a wrong here, you want to change, click no, and it will bring you back, and you have to double click again and then start from the scratch. Yes, make the changes. And again, it's asking for reboot. I will definitely go for a reboot. Hit enter. Okay, we are back again, and we'll give our username and password. Login. Okay, so again we will do our settings for the terminal, the resolution. I'll bring it a little bit bigger. Okay, let's render. So this time we will go again a little bit here, maybe 1280 and 10. 1280 will go for 12 by 80 x 1024. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it is. So better we go our old one. 920x 1200. Hit enter. Okay, this is better. So I'll close the terminal. Okay, so run the setup again to continue to the second phase of the setup. Okay, let's go. Here again, we have to give a password. Okay, so here we go, same setup. We'll bring it again. We'll go yes, continue. And this time you have to be careful. He's asking, would you like to skip the network configuration? Because if read the first line, he's saying has already been configured. Yes, skip the network configuration. Now it will go again for the services. Setup will configure the following services and welcome to the Security Onion setup, and these are the services. It will start. We'll say yes. Here we go. We'll go evaluation mode, because evaluation mode will install everything on a one single box, and it's good for starting and good for, but the production, and there is a structure, full structure, design structure. There will be a master servers and other servers slave. So better we will on a single machine, it's evaluation mode. We will select and go for OK. Here we go. It is asking for yes, first monitoring interface is already selected. This was, remember, we have configured the monitoring interface. If you have a multiple, you can select multiples. So we'll go OK. Here the name for, so the user, I will create the same, but if you want to give a separate user for these services like Kibana and other Squert and Sguil, so you can change it, but I will go with the same. It's good for me. I'll give a password. Okay, and confirm the password. Okay, so here we go. Here is asking for yes, proceed the changes. It will run a single IDS engine and ZAC processes per interface and configure the elastic stack. Yes. Would you like to continue? Yes. Proceed. So it will take a little time, and after that it will configure the things for us, all the services, and when it's completed, I'll come back to join you guys again. Okay, I'm back, and here is the completion of setup. The setup has been completed. Security Onion setup is now complete. We'll click OK. You may view IDS alerts using Sguil, Squert, and Kibana if enabled. And ZAC logs can be found in Kibana if enabled. Okay. Okay, you can check the status of your running services with the Logstash utilities. Okay. So here from the internet, if it's connected, you can download. Otherwise, next, only one port is enabled, 22. Okay. Others are locked. If you have a question, go on this documentation. Okay. And if you want interested in training, go to the security solution website. Okay. So here we go. We have installed. Let me show you something. Let's log in Sguil. I'll double click here, and first time it's open here, and we will go with the username which we given in the second phase. Okay, here we go. We'll select all, both. We make it bigger. Erase and click start Sguil. So here is this Sguil. So you can source IP, destination IPs. So it's open and running right now. Let's close and check Kibana. We'll go in the Kibana, double click, and it will open a nice web-based interface. Same, we'll give the login name and password. Okay. It's loading the Kibana. Here we go into the alert session on the home dashboard, and total number of logs as of now 0. And if you see, this is the discovery, searching, and this is the visualize, reporting place, and then again dashboard, timeline, and dev tool. You can have the Elasticsearch queries here. You can run. Please connect the console bag. Please check the Kibana server is up and running. Management. Here is. And Squert. Next. Okay. Okay, so at this stage you can see our everything is up and running, and we are good to go for practice our home lab with this Security Onion. So hope you guys like this video, and now you are familiar how we can install Security Onion on the VMware Workstation player. So thank you very much for your time and watching the video. Again, reminding, if you like my video, click on like, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.